Eyebrows are an important part of our facial features, helping to frame our eyes and enhance our overall appearance. Well-groomed eyebrows can help balance our facial proportions and draw attention to our eyes. Finding the right eyebrow shape and filling in any sparse areas can help create a more defined and polished look. Here are step-by-step procedure on how to do your eyebrows perfectly. Start by combing your eyebrows with a spoolie brush to smooth them out and get an idea of their natural shape. Before applying any product, it's important to prep your eyebrows. Using a spoolie brush to comb your brows upward and outward, which will help you see their natural shape and how much product is needed. Using a brow pencil, fill in any sparse areas with short, feathery strokes, following the natural shape of your eyebrows. Start at the inner corner of your brow and work your way out. Once you've determined where you need to fill in, use a brow pencil that matches your hair color to create short, hair-like strokes in the direction of your hair growth. Starting from the inner corner and working your way outwards, follow the natural shape of your eyebrows to create a more defined, fuller look. Next, use a brow powder or pomade to fill in any remaining gaps and to define the shape of your brows. Use a small, angled brush to apply the product and blend it out for a more natural look. Make sure to blend well to avoid any harsh lines or uneven patches. Finally, set your brows in place with a clear or tinted brow gel, combing the hairs upwards for a lifted look. To set your brows in place and keep them looking neat, use a clear or tinted brow gel. Brush the hairs upwards to create a lifted look and help the gel hold them in place throughout the day. With these techniques and tools, anyone can achieve beautiful and well-defined eyebrows that suit their facial features and personal style. Remember to take your time, work with the natural shape of your brows, and blend well for a natural and seamless finish.